These are the craziest nature videos from the past 10 years.
Hold on. Hold on. Don't move.
This man went on a tour boat to visit the glaciers in Iceland when a piece of the glacier actually broke off and fell into the water.
Wow! Wow! The wildest thing I've ever tried in my life.
Back in 2017, Greenland was hit with a tsunami.
Hey,
Back in 2020, this cruise ship was on its way to Ireland when it ran into some pretty heavy waves. Back in 2016, these people were hiking in Argentina when they realized that they were in a really bad spot.
¡Guarda, guarda, 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 guarda! ¡Fuera, fuera, fuera, fuera! ¡Fuera!
This guy was loading up his car when he realized that he forgot his wallet. Back in 2018, this massive mudslide in Switzerland was caught coming down a mountain. In 2023, this driver in China was almost hit by these falling rocks. In 2014, this volcano exploded in Papua New Guinea and it created a huge shockwave.
Here we go. Where do we get the move?